Hi there, in this video I will be demonstrating how one can easily deploy modern cloud-native applications. As we are trying to align this video to be a bit non-technical, we will be installing the applications through the use of the GUI, which is called Monocular. As you can see, there's quite a few applications we can deploy, whether it be blockchain, SaaS, Drupal, or even Jupyter Hub. In this section, I will be deploying SaaS. So first what we're going to do is in Monocular is enter the SaaS name. We are then going to just take a quick look at the README, and if we take a look further, we can actually install this straight through the GUI. So we will click on it and deploy. It will create a name for us called Littering Boxer. It will change depending on the amount of times we actually deploy this application. You can see we get our ingress and our deployment. So all we have to do is just grab this IP. We're just going to select it. Now we're going to go to that page, and you can see we fully launched SaaS Studio. We're going to log in. We're just going to wait a few moments, and now we are in SaaS Studio. We're now going to run a SaaS plot, and perfect. So it looks like SaaS is fully working. What we are going to do now is deploy Jupyter Hub. Jupyter Hub is a tool that allows you to quickly utilize cloud computing infrastructure to manage a hub that enables your users to interact remotely with a computing environment that you specify. Jupyter Hub offers a useful way to standardize the computing environment of a group of people, whether it's for a class of students or even an analytics team, as well as allowing people to access the hub remotely. So as you can see here, we've actually deployed Jupyter Hub. It was called Old Jaguar. We're taking a look just at our output of the application. What we're going to do now is just simply go to the URL specified. So now jupyterhub.govcloud.ca, clearly it's launched. We are going to log in using our admin credentials. And now what we're going to do is start the server. You know it's going to ask us what type of profile we want to launch, whether it be Python, SAS, or R. I'm going to choose Python right now. And now we're going to spawn this. So what it's doing now is pulling down the Python container and opening a notebook for us so we can code in Python. What I'm going to do here is just paste sample factorial code, and we're just going to run this. And perfect, you can see we're running Python code inside our notebook. We are going to do the same thing now, but instead we're going to be running with the R notebook. So we're going to spawn this container. And now you can see that we have R, which we can log into. We're going to paste a custom bar plot just to make sure this is working as well. And perfect. So it looks like R is working. And finally, what we're going to show here is actually deploying blockchain. So you can see we are selecting our blockchain app. We are now going to install it. We're going to deploy. It's called IntentCat. And you can see that Ethereum as well as Geth and all the boot nodes have been successfully launched. We're now going to go to our blockchain dashboard. And you can see that Ethereum is perfectly up and running. Our state is good. And we're just going to scroll a bit to the right just to make sure. And perfect, our difficulty is also set. So now all we need to do is create our custom smart contract.